Lessen food waste with UV Care Zero Waste. Every day, just set aside your food waste to be put inside the UV Care Zero Waste Eco Bin. Here's what you can put in the bin. But stay away from these. Drain any excess liquid. Cut up any large pieces of fruit and vegetables. Load your food waste into the bucket up to the maximum line. Press the power button once, and the decomposting process begins. The 4-step process starts off with the drying stage, then grind, then cool, then finally UVC sterilize. Take out the bucket and transform the compost to a container. After 1 week, your compost is ready to use.